welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm back with another video and I'm going to share this beautiful, very simple and very easy to carry summer makeup look. So if you are interested to know that, then keep on watching. Since we are going for a summer makeup look, I have created this beautiful heatless curls. What I did is I damped my hair with some water and I created braids, taking some section from my hair, and I left them overnight, and this is what I got, beautiful beachy kind of waves or curls, whatever you want to call it. So I have my makeup box right next to me. I have other things as well, so let's just begin. So in summers, the most important thing is a sunscreen. You should always start by applying a sunscreen whenever you are going out, but right now I'm stuck in my house. I'm not going anywhere out, so I will just skip it. And the next important thing and a must is a moisturizer, a good moisturizer. It doesn't matter if you have oily skin or a dry skin or a textured, whatever kind of a skin you have, you should always apply a moisturizer, never ever skip. So I have this Pond's light moisturizer with me, so I'm just going to apply it all over my face. The next thing I'm going to use is this rose petal water, and I'm going to spray it all over my face so that my skin is hydrated. It is very important that your skin is hydrated in summers especially. So the next thing I'm going to take is this foundation from Lakme. I have taken this foundation on my hand because I don't want full coverage on my face. So I'm just going to take this foundation brush and apply the foundation. It feels like I'm painting my face. So when you apply foundation using a brush, what happens is there are some fine lines on your face. So I'm going to take this sponge, it's damp, and I'm going to just press my foundation into my skin. See, it soaked up the excess product that was there on my face, and now it feels nice. Thing I'm going to do is I have this Maybelline Fit Me Compact. I generally skip concealer when in normal days or in summers because I don't like concealers, and I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to set my face, I mean the parts that are oily, like the T-zone, especially the T-zone, just with a very light hand. So for the eyes, I'm going to apply concealer. Yeah, I know I just said I don't like concealers, but I'm going to apply it only on my lids, and I'm going to blend it. Okay, so I have applied concealer, and now I'm going to take this loose powder and a fluffy brush like this, and I'm just going to set my concealer in place so that it's not creasing, because that's not what you want. After setting my concealer, I have this palette from Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to use these two shades, and I'm just going to create some depth in my eyes, not going too much. Just first I'm going to apply this whitish nude kind of a shade all over my eyelid like this using a blending brush, and next I'm going to take this orangey or peach corally shade, and I'm just going to apply it on my eyes. Starting from the corner of my eye, I'm going to blend it and build it. I have applied the peach shade all over my lid, and I'm going to take the same shade and apply it on my lower lash line. I'm now going to take this brown shade and just very little, and I'm going to smudge it on my lower lash line. So I have this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit, and I'm going to do my brows. I like to mix these two shades using this little brush. I'm just going to fill it wherever it is necessary. eyebrows are done, and so what I'm going to do next is I'm taking this blush from Sugar and I'm going to apply it on my face, on my cheeks. Smile. I really like blush these days. I don't know why. Little bit on my nose and on my forehead. Like the amount that is left on my brush, only that on my forehead. I know that's weird, but it looks nice. Am I looking like a clown? No, I'm not. For the highlighter, I have this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Gold, and I'm just going to apply a very little amount on my cheekbones. You see it? Using a fan brush, very little, and I'm going to blend it using my finger. I applied the highlighter on my nose, on the tip of my nose, and on my cupid bow as well. So for the lipstick, I have these two from Miss Claire. It's in the shade 42 and 21, and I'm going to apply it. It's a pink nude shade, as you can see. Now taking this darker shade, and I'm going to apply it on the inner side of my lips only. I really like to do this. I totally forgot about the mascara. This is from Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, and my memory is really terrible these days. I'm going to apply it on my lashes. And yeah, this is the final look. I don't know, I get so happy after completing the video, but you should, right? So yeah, this is the look. I kept the makeup very simple, and the eyes are also very minimalistic. Like, it's a very peachy, corally kind of a makeup look, and it is very easy to carry in summer, especially in those sweaty days when we don't like to do too much. I mean, it's September, but you know how it is. So yeah, if you like this look, then don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comments below what all should I create for you guys. Until then, see you next time. Bye bye.